Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We go into the second section for the examples. After we understand the different types of the angles, the triangles, all the types of the angles. Right now we're looking, inshallah, example about and how can we find the missing lengths of the triangles. Let's say, okay, we have these two triangles, so we need to find the missing sides. Basically, these two triangles, okay, we have all these pointers. Let's say we have point A to point this point D, point D to point E. Also we have point A to point B to point C. So you need to understand first, okay, what are the missing what are the missing sides. So after we need to find it. Let's say, okay, we're not using a Pythagoras theorem because we have two triangles. So these two triangles, by using these two triangles, we can find by all the missing lengths or all the missing sides. Let's say here point A to E, we need to find that. Also we need to find point B to A, but we have point A to C. Also we have point B to C. We have point A to D. Also we have point D to F. Point D to E. So after that, by using all the sides we have, we can find the two missing sides. First, okay, we have to say by point A to C, it is equal to point A to E. So that means, okay, point A to C and point A to E, okay, they are same directions, because this point A to E, this is point A to C. So we're saying by point A to C over point A to E, it's equal to, because these two triangles are same, okay, it's equal to point B to C. What's point B to C? This point B to C over point D to E, point D to E. So we're saying by point B to C over point B to E. So easily right now, okay, you can see like one side is missing, okay. Basically we have the number for point A to C, we have 6 centimeter. Also we don't have but point A to E, but we have point B to C, or we have point B to C. Point B to C we have 9 centimeter. Also we have point B to E, where's point B to E, and point D to E. Also we have point D to E. What we have point D to E? Point D to E we have, because if here is point B to C, okay, it's perpendicular. Same as point D to E. These 2 points, okay. So after we have point D to C, 6 centimeter. We're just substituting all the numbers we have. The same point A to C we have 6 centimeter. We're writing a 6 centimeter over. What about point A to E is the one we need to find. It's equal to what we have point B to C. Point B to C we have 9 centimeter over what we have point D to E, we have also 6 centimeter. After that, you're just doing by cross multiplication to find the missing number. 6 times 6, AE times 9. So A times 9 would be 9 centimeter AE. Here 6 times 6 would be 36. 36 centimeter times centimeter would be centimeter square. So just divide here the number before the AE, 9 centimeter, and divide here 9 centimeter. So point AE would be, what's 36 divided by 9? 4 centimeter. Centimeter squared divided by centimeter here will be just centimeter. So we got the first point. What's the first point? A to E. A to E, okay, it's 4 centimeter. So we got here up to here 4 centimeter. But we need to find also this one. So how can we find point A to B? So same as the way we did right now there. We're just saying by point A to B. Look, point A to B. It's same as point A to D. We're saying by point A to B. Point A to B divided by A to D, it's equal to point B to C. Where's point B to C? Divided by point D to E. Point D to E. So it's just saying point B to C divided by point D to E. So just substitute, okay. What we have point A to B, we don't have any number point A to B. Okay, that's what we need to find. What about point A to D? Point A to D. Where's point A to D? You can see here we have point A to D, 5 centimeters. So just substitute that 5. We say in AB over 5 centimeter equal to. Or we have point B to C. Point B to C we have 9 centimeter, and point D to E we have 6 centimeter. So with 9 centimeter divided by 6 centimeter. 9 centimeter divided by 6 centimeter. After that, what are we doing? Cross multiplication. AB times 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter AP equal to 5 centimeter times 9 centimeter. 5 times 9, it will be 45. What about centimeter times centimeter will be centimeter square. So after just divide, what we're dividing is, we're dividing by 6 centimeter each side, divided 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter divided by 6 centimeter would be 1. So point A to B would be 45 divided by 6, it's 7.5. What about centimeter divided by centimeter? Centimeter square divided by centimeter would be centimeter, because the square will cancel 1 centimeter. So the point 8P also we have 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so straight away right now we go in examples about the angles. To understand more about the angles, we say in example 2. We need to find the missing angles. We learn by the different types of angles. Straight line angles we know we measure by 180 degree. Let's say we have this. Here's point A. Here's 40 degree. Here's 20 degree. Here's 30 degree. So you need to find the missing angle. Okay. So this is a straight line. Okay, straight line. The angles that form straight line angles mean straight line. We know that we measure by 180 degree. So what we're just doing is A plus, you have to add up all together and then you say equal to 180 degree. A plus 40 degree plus 20 degree plus 30 degree, it's equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus, what's 40 plus 20? 60. 60 plus 30, 90, equal to 180 degree. So angle A would be 180, 90 go to the outside because it become linear equation. Would be 180 minus 90 degree. So after angle A would be 180 minus 90, it would be 90 degree. So you can check your answer if it's correct or it's incorrect. Let's say when you're doing the checking, you're just saying by add up together all the angles. You're just doing by A plus 40 degree plus 20 degree plus 30 degree. It must be equal to 180 degree. So substitute the place of A. Where you find the place of A? 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 40 plus 20 plus 30, it must be equal to 180 degree. So add up together all of them. 90 plus 40, 150, 130, 130 plus 20, 150, 150 plus 30, 180. So you can see here 180 equal to 180 degree. So this kind of angle is called by straight line angles, and it's equal 180 degree. And this is how we find the value of the straight line angles. Next example, we're looking by angles that form like 1 point. Angles that form 1 point here. Let's say we have this point. Like different angles they form this point here. Let's say this angle and his angle. So let's say this angle you have 30 degree. Here you have 60 degree. But this angle here is x plus 1, and this angle let's say is 2x plus 1. This would be, let's say 4x. This angle let's say is 60 degree. So we need to find all these angles. Basically you have to know that all the angles that form 1 point is measured by 360 degrees. So all we're doing first, okay, we have to add together all the angles at the same time. We're saying start by 4x. Okay, we're just saying 4x plus, what's this angle? 2x plus 1 plus, what's the next? X plus 1. It would be easy for you if you add together all the numbers. So the numbers we have here is 60. What's 60 plus 30? 90. 90 plus 60, 150 plus 150 degree. It must be equal to what? 360 degree. Because we said angles that form 1 point measured by 360 degree. So right now, okay, we define two parts. Okay, like terms and unlike terms, because we have algebra equation. So we added together all the like terms. We're starting by x. Okay, while the like terms, all the x's they have same terms. Okay, 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x plus x, 7x. Okay, but can we add 4x plus 1x? 1? No, we can't add it. But we can add those of the x's. They'll have the same terms. Okay, 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x plus x, 7x. So all the x's we have is 7x plus, here we have 1 plus 1, 2 plus 150, 152. So we have 152 equal to 360 degrees. So first we find the value of x. We're saying that 7x equal to 152 going to the other side. So writing here 360 minus 152. We have here 152. So after we just subtracting 360 minus 152. Basically 300 minus 100, that would be 260. 260 minus 52 will be 208. So here we have 208. So just divide by 7 each side. So here divide 7, and here we divide by 7. So the answer will be, when we divide 280 divided by 70, we divide it by 208 over 7. So basically, when we divide 208 over 7, the answer would be 29.7. It would be decimal. It would be 29.70. 1. It would be 29.71. 29.71. Okay, we just get around and then we take 30 degree. So it's just writing x equal to 30 degree, or let's say 30. So we got the value of x, but we couldn't find each angle, the value of each angle. So right now, okay, if we got the value of x 30 degree, can we find the value of 4x, the value of 2x plus 1? Yeah, we can do. We're just saying by find each angle. The first angle, angle 1, equal to, what's the first angle? 4x. 4x, okay. So substitute the place of x, the value, we have x 30 degree. So it will be 4 times 30. So the first angle 1 would be 120 degree. Next angle, okay, angle 2. We have angle 2, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. What's the value of x? We got the value of x 30 degree. So we're just saying that the second angle equal to 2 times 30 plus 1. So after the second angle will be 2 times 30, 60 plus 1. The second angle will be 60 plus 1, 61 degree. Okay, the third angle. So what's the third angle? The third angle we have x plus 1, which is writing here x plus 1. So after we saying the third angle will be, what's the value of x? We have 30 degree. You can see here. You're just writing here 30 plus 1. The third angle will be 31 degree. Okay, what's the fourth angle? We have the fourth angle. We already have the fourth angle 60 degree. You can see 60 degree. The fifth angle we have 30 degree. And the last angle we have angle 6. We have 60 degree. So right now we're doing the checking. We need to check if my answer is correct or if it's not correct. Okay, we're just doing checking. So we're saying by adding together all the angles, it must be equal to 360 degree. So adding together, how many angles we have up to angle 6? Okay, adding together all the angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, it must be equal to 360 degree. So what we have the first angle we got 120 degree plus. What we have the second angle, we have 61 degree plus 61 degree. What we have the third angle, we have 31 degree plus 31 degree plus. What we have the fourth angle, we have we got the third angle 31 degree, yeah. What about the fourth angle? We got 60 degree. This was the third angle. The fourth angle is 60 degree. What about the fifth angle? The fifth angle we got 30 degree. And the last angle we got by 60 degree, angle number 6. 60, it must be equal to 360 degree when we add it together all of them. So first count how many angles we have. We have 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 120 plus 61. That would be 181. 181 plus 31. It would be 181 plus 30. But first added by 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30. It would be 210. 210 plus 1 and 1, 212. 212 plus 60, 272. 272 plus 30, 302. 302 plus 60, 362. So we have here 362 equal to 360 degree. So does that means my answer is incorrect? No, it's not incorrect here. Because okay, if you remember, when we got here x 30 degree, okay, the value of x was, if you remember, the value of x was 29.7, but I round up and then I make it 30 degree. But here the actual was 0.3. That's 0.3. It make the difference of the two degree angle. But you will round it down. Then you say like 360 degree equal to 360 degree. But you, when you're doing the test, okay, you have to use the decimal number. The biggest reason I didn't use the decimal number is because of the multiplication. But you, okay, when you're doing the test, you have to use the decimal number to get the exact answer. You can round up when it's like 29.99 like that. So if you understand, inshallah, It's Alhamdulillah. But if you have a question or there's like some areas that you don't understand, you can text me on Class Dojo on WhatsApp. Good luck, Ramadan Kareem.